Alright, welcome back to this video about creating posts. So in order to create a post, you need to simply go to posts, and you can create a post by clicking on new, but let's go and view the current post we have now. Click on all posts. You can see we have two posts here. One is services and the other one is hello world. Now let's go ahead and trash this as we don't need it, and we can as well trash this. And just like when we trashed the pages, we can restore and we can also delete permanently. So I think by now from the restore page, you already know when you click on the restore, it should restore the post back, but I don't think we need to do that again. So let's just click on this and click on bulk action and delete permanently. Click apply and we're good. Okay, now in order to create a new post, simply click on add new and need to give your post a title. I'm just gonna call this test post, and I'm going to go to Google and type dummy text generator, and I'm just gonna grab some dummy text. I'm gonna grab some dummy text from Lorem Ipsum. Grab this and paste it here and click publish, and that's how to create a post. Okay, let's go ahead and create more posts by simply clicking on post. You can create new ones. I'm going to call it test post 2. Pasting the dummy content again, publish. And that is how to create a post. If we go back to our website, you can see the pages that we created on our tabs. You can see the posts, what it looks like. And we're going to end this video here. We're going to look at posts in great details when we start creating our real project, but for now I think we'll stop here for posts. See you in the next video.